Topekans flocked to the Outback Steakhouse on Friday, June 10th to meet Sean Casey, star of the hit Discovery Channel documentary series Storm Chasers. Casey was in Topeka with a film crew and his Tornado Intercept vehicle to raise money for the Joplin, Missouri tornado relief effort, a fundraiser which began for the team in Nebraska.
How much did you say you have raised total for Joplin?
We've just passed 8,000 mark.
Okay.
And those are funds that we've been raising over the last 10 days for Joplin, Missouri.
Okay. Where did you start collecting in?
In Omaha.
In Omaha?
We started in Omaha.
Okay.
We were actually at a Storm Chaser baseball game. So we did a benefit there, then we went to the zoo, and then we went to Fred's Frozen Custards for the third day.
Though Casey's trek from Nebraska to Kansas had raised quite a bit of money, he said they were still short of their ultimate $10,000 goal, and would need to make one more stop before heading back to Joplin.
Our goal was $10,000, but I think we're going to be coming in more like $9,000.
9,000?
9,000.
Okay.
So we'll have to do one more event before we head to Joplin.
Casey began chasing storms in 1999 for a documentary called Forces of Nature, and said the idea for his Tornado Intercept vehicle was largely about finding a way to get in the middle of the storm to take high-quality video.
Well, the idea was to get footage that no one had gotten before.
Okay.
And to get as close as we could with an IMAX camera.
Okay.
So building a movable 14,000-pound tripod to get those shots.
Casey said movies like Twister, while entertaining, were not an inspiration for what he does now with the Discovery Channel.
Oh, no, Twister didn't, no.
Okay.
Twister was an inspiration for what we're doing.
Okay.
But it's still a cool movie.
Yeah.
And back. Ace's Memorial Day sale will help you do just that. I'm Howard Snow of Stillwater Ace Hardware. We have Miracle-Gro moisture control cotton mix at 55% savings after mail-in rebate. Scott's plant food is only 99 cents for a 3-pound bag after rebate. Ortho Home Defense Max Perimeter Insect Killer is free after rebate. Get in, get help, and get on with your holiday weekend at Ace Hardware's Memorial Day sale. Ace, the helpful place.
Travelers and your independent insurance agent want you to know that they are helping customers affected by the severe weather that impacted the Minneapolis area. Their claim representatives are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Travelers urges you to call them to report a loss after making sure your family and property are protected. To report a traveler's home or auto claim, please call 1-800-CLAIM-33. For travelers' business claims, call 1-800-238-6225. And travelers, they're here for you when you need them most.
Hi, I'm Hans Hirschfield for Hirschfield's Decorating Centers. What's your project? Whether it's
got a tornado on the ground, right close to home. I mean close. If I can zoom in on it. Roll up the window, the hail's coming in. Look, it's dissipating now.
Holy mackerel! A tree just came down on top of our house?
Okay, it's going to be short because I'm getting very wet right now. However, I'm a gravel road on private property just south of Marblehead, Illinois, which is just south of Quincy. I'm really not in a good position right now, and this is not somewhere I necessarily want to be. But that is the wall cloud in question. That's all the scud and crap behind it. Supposedly it has a pretty good hail core on it. I don't plan on finding out because I already have a crack in my windshield, and I don't necessarily want another one. I'm also going to be hopping back in my car pretty quick here because, one, I left it running like a moron, and two, I'm getting significantly damp, and I don't want to get my camera too wet. But I will do more once I'm back inside my car, so I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, anyway. Ooh, it's cold in here. I had the air conditioning on. But there you go. That is what we are looking at right now. I shouldn't be in the way of this thing. I'm probably going to sit here and watch it a couple more minutes just because I know once I start heading back into Quincy, I'm going to be pretty much out of it. I don't necessarily like driving the freeway in rain, because I'm just kind of a wuss like that. But sorry, a friend is keeping me updated via Facebook actually as to what's going on with this right now, since I don't have very good radar. He says that actually the hail core is weakening, so it's probably not going to hook. So we've got a nice wall cloud, but we're probably not going to get a tornado out of it, which, considering where I'm sitting, I'm okay with that. But, anyway, there you go. It's moving pretty good. I'm actually rather chilly in here right now. But yeah, it looks like the wall cloud's kind of moving back up into itself. So that's pretty much what we're looking at. Nothing too horribly interesting. Sorry, it's cracking my windshield. I really don't expect, like I said, for anything too horribly dramatic to come out of this, so I'm not too worried. It's probably very cocky of me in retrospect. Actually, it kind of looks like it's trying to reach out. Sorry, I'm trying to take pictures on my phone for my friend and do the camera at the same time, which is really not all that useful. But there you go. I'm probably going to head back into town pretty soon, because dinner was done when I left, and I am hungry. So, there you go, kids. That's pretty much what's left of it.